Hello friends, in previous lecture we discussed the definition of phenols, its classification and nomenclature. Today we will start the remaining part of phenol, that is general method of preparation of phenols, in which number 1, industrial sources, that is from cumin. Cumin is also called as isopropyl benzene. Here, the cumin is suspended in aqueous sodium bicarbonate solution and is oxidized by air or oxygen in the presence of the cobalt naphthenate or manganese naphthenate. It acts as a catalyst. That means the cobalt naphthenate and manganese naphthenate, it acts as a catalyst to yield cumin hydroperoxide. And in next step, the cumin hydroperoxide is then decomposed by hot dilute sulfuric acid, and we get the phenol and acetone, and this acetone is removed by distillation. Okay, we will see the actual mechanism. Here, this is the structure of benzene plus propene. That means benzene plus propene is heated at 215 degrees Celsius. We get the cumin. Cumin, that means this is isopropyl group, and this is benzene. That means the isopropyl benzene. That means the cumin. Another name of cumin is isopropyl benzene. Okay, that means benzene plus propene is heated at 250 degrees Celsius. We get the cumin, that means the isopropyl benzene. Now in next step, this isopropyl benzene, it undergoes oxidation, presence of the O2 at heated 95 to 135 degrees Celsius, and we get the cumin hydroperoxide. Cumin hydroperoxide, that means the isopropyl benzene is heated in presence of O2, and we get the cumin hydroperoxide. That means oxygen oxygen OOH. That means this linkage is called as hydroperoxide. Therefore, overall name of this molecule is cumin hydroperoxide. In next step, the cumin hydroperoxide, it undergoes hydrolysis or H plus H2O, and here we get the phenol plus acetone. This is a simple mechanism. That means preparation of phenol from cumin. First step, benzene is treated with the propene, and we get the first formation of the cumin or the isopropyl benzene. In next step, the isopropyl benzene is passes with the O2, and we get the cumin hydroperoxide. This cumin hydroperoxide, it undergoes hydrolysis. We get the phenol plus acetone, and it is economically it is the best process because it does not involve the use of chlorine or the sulfuric acid, which are high demand, and cumin can be obtained easily from benzene or propene. Then acetone is useful as a byproduct, because in this process acetone we get the byproduct and it is most useful. Number 2, from diazonium salt. From diazonium salt, here phenol is obtained from aniline. It is by heating the diazonium salts solution, that is benzene diazonium chloride or the benzene diazonium with a dilute sulfuric acid. Actually, benzene diazonium salts is added dropwise to the hot dilute solution of acid solution, which is kept stirring. This is a simple statement. Here, the preparation of phenol from aniline. Here, starting material is aniline. That means benzene containing his NH2. That means this is aniline plus HNO2. That means nitrous acid in presence of acidic condition H2SO4, 0 degree Celsius. And there is formation of a benzene diazonium salt. This is benzene N triple bond N. That means N triple bond N. That means the azo group. Okay, that means benzene diazonium. This is HSO4, that means the sulfate. Therefore, name benzene diazonium sulfate. It undergoes H plus or the boil or the hydrolysis simply. We get here OH, and liberation of this nitrogen gas. We get the phenol. It means preparation of phenol from aniline. So in exam, the question asks conversion of phenol to how will you prepare phenol or aniline to phenol? At that time, from aniline to phenol, if you convert aniline to phenol, the first step is diazotization. It is also called as the diazotization. That means the first reagent is HNO2, that means nitrous acid in presence of H2SO4. 0 degree Celsius, we get the benzene diazonium sulfate. The next step, hydrolysis, we get the phenol. Another example here, aniline. This is the structure of aniline. NaNO2 in presence of HCl, we get the benzene diazonium salt, formation of this diazonium salt, and this diazonium salt undergoes hydrolysis, we get the OH. Now then, next point, physical properties of the phenol. Physical properties of the phenol. Number one, phenol is a colorless. First thing is that phenol is colorless, toxic, corrosive, and needle-shaped solid. Number two, phenol soon liquefies due to high hygroscopic in nature. Hygroscopic in nature, that means when phenol is exposed to air, it absorbs the moisture. Therefore it easily liquefy. Then phenol is less soluble in water, but readily soluble in organic solvent. Next number, the simplest phenol, because of hydrogen bonding, have high point of boiling point. That means phenol having the high boiling point due to their presence of the hydrogen bonding. And in case of the best example, in case of orthonitrophenol, steam volatile, is also less soluble in water because of intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Due to the formation of the intramolecular hydrogen bonding, therefore it is less soluble in water. Then chemical reactions of the phenol. Next, chemical reactions of the phenol. Phenols are acidic in nature, and it forms the salt with NaOH, because NaOH abstract this proton OH or the KOH. With NaOH, it gives the sodium phenoxides. But unlike the carboxylic acid, they do not react with the weak bases like sodium bicarbonate. The acidity of phenol can be compared with the alcohol and carboxylic acid on the basis of the negative charge stabilization. That means if we compare the acidity of the phenols with alcohols and carboxylic acids, it is related to the negative charge stabilization. First, we compare the comparison of phenols and alcohols. When you compare the phenols and alcohol, considerable the greater strength of phenol having pK value is 10. Phenol having the pK value is 10, and with alcohol having the pK value is 18. Friends, we know that in case of the pK value, or if we talk about the acidity, strength of the acid, higher the pK value, it is weak acid, and lower the pK value, it is strong acid. Here, the phenol having the pK value is 10, and alcohol having the pK value is 18. That means the low pK value, it is a strong acid. That means here, from this pK value, we can conclude that the phenol is a stronger as compared to alcohol. It can be accounted as a negative charge on the alkoxide anion, RO minus, alkoxide anion, that is RO minus. It cannot be delocalized. But in case of the phenoxide, PHO minus, the negative charge is delocalized at ortho and para position. Ortho and the para position. Ortho and para position here, the ring. Ortho and para positions as indicated by the resonating structure for phenols. The phenoxide is therefore weaker basis than the alkoxide, hence PHOH, that means alcohol is a stronger acids. Okay, and here this is a resonating structure. This is the actual structure of the phenol, and this is the symbol of the resonating resonance. Okay, now then here when we draw a resonating structure, here negative charge and here positive charge, oxygen containing positive charge, here negative charge, and this negative charge is delocalized. The negative charge is delocalized at ortho and para positions. Okay, and due to this resonance, oxygen atom of the OH group, it acquires the positive charge. Due to this resonance, the oxygen atom of the OH, it acquires the positive charge, in structure third and structure fifth. Hence it attracts the electron pair because oxygen having a positive charge and any electronegative atom cannot bear a positive charge for longer time. Hence it attracts the electron pair of the OH bond, leading to the release of hydrogen atom as a proton. And here this is a phenol. So undergo the dissociation of this OH bond, we get the phenoxide ion plus H plus. That means there is formation of the phenoxide ion. As a resonance is impossible in alcohol because in alcohol even no resonance is possible due to absence of the conjugation of the lone pair of oxygen with the double bond, and the hydrogen atom is more firmly linked to oxygen atom. Therefore alcohols are neutral in nature, and once the phenoxide ion is formed, here the phenoxide ions is formed, it is stabilized by a resonance. Here the resonating structures are shown. Actually phenoxide ions is more stable than the phenol itself. Here the formation of this phenoxide ion, and it can be delocalized. The negative charge is delocalized at ortho and the para positions, and all resonating structure of phenoxide ion have the negative charge. Hence they are almost equally stable. That means if you see the resonating structure of these phenoxide ions, the negative charge is equally stable. Whereas in case of phenol, if you consider the structure first and second having no charge, in previous slide, the structure first and second having no charge and are more stable than structure third and fifth having both positive and the negative charge. If you consider the structure third and fifth having both positive charge, that means OH plus and negative charge on the benzene at ortho position. That means it having a different structure having both positive and negative charge. Therefore the phenoxide ion is more resonance stabilized than the phenol. Okay, the phenoxide ion is more resonance stabilized than the phenol due to their difference in their charge distribution. Next, the comparison of phenol and the acids. You see the first, the carboxylic acids, it ionizes as follows: RC double bond OH. We get the, after dissociation, we get the RC double bond O minus H plus, and this is the actual resonating structure of this carboxylate anion. It's RC double bond O minus. It will be delocalized. Okay, RC double bond O minus. We get the two equivalent structure. The resonance hybrid of this carboxylate anion are more stabilized than the resonance hybrid of phenoxide ion, because in case of structure 6 and 10th, which are not equivalent, because in structure 6 and 10 the negative charge on in that means the structure 6 and 10, that means in case of phenoxide ion the negative charge will be changed. That means in case of phenoxide, in structure 6 the negative charge is on oxygen, and in structure 10th the negative charge is on benzene. That means they are not same, that means they are the difference, that means not equivalent. While the resonating structure of structure 11th and 12th, that means this one 11th and 12th, they are equivalent. Hence the carboxylic acids are the stronger acid than the phenol. Hence the carboxylic acids are stronger acid than the phenols. Next, on comparing the acidity of phenol, the carbonic acids, we see that the bicarbonate are relatively more stable than the phenoxide ion. Hence carboxylic acid is a stronger acid than the phenol. Okay, in this way we compare the phenols and acids. Besides the acidity is the most important property of phenol, extremely towards the electrophilic substitution reaction. Even in the ring substitution, the acidity plays an important role. Phenols undergo the electrophilic substitution reaction. Typically, many of aromatic compound. The hydroxyl group, that means OH group, is a powerful activator at ortho and the para position in the aromatic ring. as the electron density at this position is considerably high due to resonance stabilization. This is overall about the comparison of phenols and the acids. Okay, thank you.